Alright, so we went ahead and made the hole, so now we just gotta shoot right up inside there and go ahead and make a 1 1/4 hole at the top through the stud to go ahead and flush the wire. Let's go. Alright, here we go with that Let's Go production. So as you can see, I went and made the hole for the cable cord line right here. So just gonna put it up here, and I'm about to screw it on in there and plug it into the back of the TV over here. Let's go. Call 682-239-1470. Let's go. Alright, here we go with another Let's Go production. We don't have the outlet conversion on here, but we do have it on the full motion mount right here with the antenna right there. So flush. Let's go. Call 682-239-1470. Remember, I am the plug. You are the demand. Well, let's go.